Hello student, welcome to MDC Learning. So, in today's video we are going to cover very important topic from TY that is multilateralism and regionalism. And this topic belong to module number 2. It is the ending part of module number 2. So student, we will understand what the concept multilateral wants to say and what is the concept regionalism. So exam point of view, it is very important topic. So just student those absent during Zoom lecture, please listen this video carefully. We'll start with a concept that is called multilateralism. Now the term multilateralism means what? So multilateralism refers to the alliance of multiple countries pursuing common goal. Alliance मतलब होता है ग्रुप बनाना. When countries come together and form a group, that is called alliance. Multiple means many. Pursuing means follow करना. So multilateralism का मतलब होता है that alliance of many countries those who are following common goal. इसका मतलब होता है कि when all the countries come together and they formed a group because these countries are following same goal. For example, if there are 218 countries and 150 country will come together and form the group because they all are following same goal, that is called multilateralism. Now how this concept arise? So the multilateralism is international trade is represented by effort made worldwide by nation to liberalize international trade and promote free and fair trade between nations. See, multilateralism is a one type of institution, or we can say multilateralism is a one type of concept which promote international trade worldwide, and the main motto is to liberalize, or we can say to promote free and fair trade between all the nations of the world. See, the concept multilateralism became more and more famous when LPG concept came. LPG means liberalization, privatization and globalization. So multilateralism concept became more and more popular when the concept LPG arose. And as we know very well, in India the concept LPG arose in 1991 when new industrial policy came into existence. So multilateralism का main motto क्या है? To promote free and fair international trade. Free trade means when we can easily make a movement of goods and services from one country to another country without any restriction. That is called free trade. And fair trade means no discrimination, no any type of barriers. So the main motto of multilateralism is that they should be free, they should be liberal, and there should be fair trade between each and every nation of the world. So in short, multilateralism means when many countries of the world come together, they make a alliance, they make a group because they all are following same goal, they all are following same objective. So in short, multilateralism का मतलब होता है कि देश की जितनी भी कंट्रीज है वो एक साथ आती है, एक तरह का ग्रुप बनाती है बिकॉज दे आर फॉलोइंग सेम गोल इन देयर लाइफ. नेक्स्ट इज the concept multilateralism arise, or we can say the concept multilateralism started to exist when GATT was there. GATT means General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. See, as we know very well, GATT is a one type of organization which was deal with the trade and commerce in all over the world, or we can say GATT is a one type of institution जो हर एक वर्ल्ड की जितनी भी कंट्रीज थी उनके साथ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स के साथ डील कर देती है. बट ड्यू टू सर्टेन रीजन द गेट वॉज नॉट एबल टू सक्सेसफुली complify, or we can say the gate was not able to successfully implement all the objective. So the gate was replaced by a new organization which is known as WTO. WTO started to existed, or we can say WTO stabilized in first Jan 1995. WTO full form is World Trade Organization. So exam point of view, this point is very important, that what is the full form of GATT? GATT means General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. WTO means World Trade Organization. WTO stabilized on 1st Jan 1995. So the point wants to say that कि multilateralism का अगर best example हो, then the example will be get in WTO, because WTO is a one type of alliance of many countries from all over the world, because they all are pursuing same goal. Recently, or we can say currently, there are 164 member in WTO, and Afghanistan joined membership of WTO in 2016, and India is known as a founder member of WTO. So multilateralism is based on only one principle, that there will be no discrimination while doing trade with a member nation and with a non-member nation. They are following simple, or we can say they are following free trade with all the countries of the world. So they are based on one of the very important principle, that is there is no discrimination while trading with each other. Next, the main motto, or we can say जो WTO जो concept है, why it existed and what was the main goal. So the development of WTO and the promotion of a free trade area are associated with the phase of globalization that has been experienced by almost every nation since 1990s. See, the concept WTO, or we can say free trade, these two concepts we associate, or we can say we experience the WTO stabilization, or we can say the importance of free trade. ये दोनों कंसेप्ट हमने कब से एसोशिएट की, और वी कैन से फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्टेड टू एक्सपीरियंस इट व्हेन LPG started, or we can say when we started to give importance to liberalization, privatization and globalization. Globalization means what? Ki nowadays each and every country can trade with each other without any restriction, because before policy 1990s, before 1990s, each and every country, or we can say many countries, were following closed economy. But after 1990s, there was a, we can say, great or drastic change in all over the world. Even in India, our economy changed in 1991 न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी. सो हमने देखा है कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन कंसेप्ट बिकेम वेरी फेमस इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम 1990s, एंड ड्यू टू ग्लोबलाइजेशन द ट्रेड एक्सपांशन टुक प्लेस इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो ये जो मल्टीलैटरलिज्म का जो कंसेप्ट है, ये 1919 से ज़्यादा एक्सपांड हुआ, एंड मल्टीलैटरलिज्म को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए, और वी कैन से मल्टीलैटरलिज्म का बेस्ट एग्जांपल है WTO, बिकॉज WTO इज़ अ कंट्री जहाँ पर वर्ल्ड की all over the world, or we can say WTO is a one type of organization where all over the world countries come together, formed a group, because they all are pursuing same goal. So in short, multilateralism का मतलब होता है कि it is a group, or it is a alliance of many countries, those who are following same goal, and they are based on one principle, that there is a no discrimination between member nation and non-member nation. Next is regionalism and trade bloc. See, regionalism means what? Regional trade agreement create trading bloc. Regional trade agreement का मतलब होता है कि when countries are located in a same geographical area and they came together and they formed and they signed the agreement with each other, that is called trading bloc. See, regionalism का मतलब होता है कि जब बहुत सारी कंट्री, और वी कैन से व्हेन 2 and more कंट्रीज, जब 2 से ज़्यादा कंट्री एक ही जोग्राफिकल एरिया में लोकेट करती है एंड दे कम टुगेदर, और वो एक ग्रुप बनाती है, उसे बोलते हैं ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक. एंड द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक इज दैट दे आर फॉलोइंग what we call same type of rules and regulation, or we can say they are following different rule with a member nation and different rule with a non-member nation. So regionalism का मतलब होता है कि there will be a group of country those who are situated in a same region, or we can say there is a group of a country those who are located in same geographical area. For example, NAFTA में there are total 3 members, US, Canada and Mexico, and they are located in a same region. So they came together and they formed a group. So that is called trading bloc. क्या important है trading bloc का? That trading bloc is based on principle of a discrimination. इसका मतलब होता है कि those who are member of any trading bloc, they will charge different rules, or we can say they will impose different rule with a member nation and different rule with a non-member nation. जैसे कि नाफ्टा जब in NAFTA, when USA, Canada and Mexico, when they will trade with each other, they will impose different charges. और जब वो अपने ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक के बाहर किसी कंट्री से ट्रेड करेंगे, दैट टाइम दे विल इम्पोज अ डिफरेंट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. So regionalism is against, or we can say trading bloc is against the principle of free trade, because they are not following free trade. वो अपने मेंबर्स के साथ दूसरे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉलो करते हैं, एंड दे आर फॉलोइंग डिफरेंट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन विद अ नॉन मेंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल एसीन, सार्क, ईयू, दिस ऑल आर एग्जांपल ऑफ अ trading bloc. So what is the difference between trading bloc and multilateralism? That multilateralism means a alliance of many countries, those are following same goal. सी मल्टीलैटरिज्म में ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सारी की सारी कंट्री एक ही जोग्राफिकल एरिया में लोकेट करे. एनी कंट्री फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड कैन बी अ मेंबर ऑफ WTO, बिकॉज WTO इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मल्टीलैटरिज्म. एंड ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक और रीजनलिज्म का मतलब होता है कि द countries those who are located in a same region, same geographical area, only they can be a part of that particular trading bloc. For example, EU means European Union. European Union is a group of 27 countries, और European Union is a one type of trading bloc. जो यूरोप की जितनी भी कंट्रीज़ हैं जो सेम लोकेशन और सेम जोग्राफिकल एरिया में लोकेट करती है, वो सब एक साथ आके उन्होंने ग्रुप बनाया है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड EU. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंट, और वी कैन से कि ये एक दूसरे से किस तरह से अलग है. सो मल्टीलैटरिज्म इज़ अ बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नॉन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. मीन्स किसी भी तरह का भेदभाव नहीं होगा, वेदर द नेशन इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ WTO और इट इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ WTO. एंड ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक में कैसा है कि दे आर बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. देन मल्टीलैटरिज्म support free trade, and trading bloc they are against the concept of free trade. Then in multilateralism there are same rules and regulation with all the members, whether it is a part of WTO or not. And in trading bloc there is a different rules and regulation with a member nation and non-member nation. So students, those who were absent during Zoom classes, please go to the video, and exam point of view it is very important concept. Thank you.